Welcome on in. This here's a video talking about Rush the Rock driving machines. These two are linked together, and we've had them for quite a long time. The car on the right, the chair over here, one day it just started stinking like it was on fire. Come to find out, it looks like it was the motor board for the steering, and so since then we have not had feedback on that chair. The left-hand chair, it steers as it should. So we're going to open it up, try to diagnose it, and see if we can't get the part, fix it up, and so we have feedback on both chairs. Next you'll be seeing is the boot up process. All right, we're inside of Rush the Rock, and on the left-hand wall is the board we've been talking about. So we're going to pull this out, throw it on the bench, see if we can figure out what it needs, get it going. All right, got the motor board on the bench. Backside looks tasty. I don't see any cracked solder, anything looking problematic. Back to the front side. F1 and 2, they'll be replaced because they're both blown. And I'm going to do both the amps that are hooked to this giant, 32 volt heat sink, live heat sink. Don't ground it. Warning. Anyway, caps look good. IC chips look delicious. Wait for our parts to come in, install it, do the smoke test. All right, on eBay, here they are, $5.80 each with tax. Two of them delivered to me is $12.50. The highest price I'd seen was $59 each domestically, and these are coming from Greater China. And it's gonna take up to 41 days to make it here in my mailbox, so I'll be waiting. Okie dokie, good news. My two Rush the Rock amp chips for the motor board, the steering motor. They are here and in my hand. 1, 2. These are 11 legs, 6 on one side, 5 on the back. Time to get to work. Put them in, see if it fixes my motor issue. All right, all together now. We got the new amp chip over here on this big old heatsink and the new one there. Also replaced both blown fuses, and I went ahead and metered out this fuse back here. Made sure all 3 fuses are completely good before I throw the power to it once I install it back in the Rush the Rock game. Let's see. All right, on the pool table here, 2 steering wheels. Why? I tested out the new amp chips, and this is a steering wheel that was on the car. And it started to move a little bit, which was a good thing because it hadn't moved before. And then it stopped, and it would fail the test and whatever. So anyway, comparing it to the other chair, it's kind of gritty. It's just not smooth. The other chair was smooth and turned well. And this is a spare that I've had in my attic probably for 10 years or more. And it's smooth as butter. It was missing the potentiometer, so I took it off this one, swapped it over, clocked it to where the other one was. So it's a little grungier steering wheel. I'll probably have to swap it back if it does work. But I'm now under the impression that maybe the motor over here, there's something going on, just kind of crappy, gritty feeling. And this was like butter. A little noisy, but I think it's probably this connection here. I don't know, or maybe the belt is making that noise. But I'm gonna give this a try. Plug it all in, test it out, and see if that was my issue. Was that there was something going on with the original motor? Let's see. Test time. Here we go. It's the chair on the right-hand side. So far, so good. Bingo. All right, another good repair here at Steve-O's Game Room. Thanks for checking it out. Have a good day. Catch you on the flip side.